education shapes the future of societies. In the United States, disparities in educational quality can significantly impact community development. For example, states like West Virginia and Mississippi face challenges in educational attainment, including lower high school graduation rates and limited access to advanced coursework. These educational shortcomings can hinder economic growth and development within these regions. How does the U.S. education system compare globally? What are our strengths and where can we improve? Let's explore. Worldwide data show that trends in international mathematics and science study indicate a significant drop in U.S. middle school math scores. Countries like Finland, Singapore, and South Korea consistently outperform the U.S. What distinguishes their educational approaches from ours? Nations like Finland, Singapore, and South Korea share several key educational approaches that contribute to their superior performance in international assessments. In Finland, the emphasis on teacher quality is paramount. Teachers undergo rigorous training, ensuring effective teaching practices. Their system also focuses on student well-being and equitable access to education, regardless of socioeconomic status. Singapore combines traditional values with modern technology, heavily investing in teacher development and maintaining a flexible, rigorous curriculum. South Korea's education system is known for its intensity. With a cultural emphasis on education and strong parental involvement, students often attend after-school tutoring centers to boost their academic performance. While this dedication yields high achievement, it also raises concerns about student stress. Across these nations, a cultural respect for education and policies aimed at reducing disparities ensure that all students have access to quality education, leading to exceptional academic outcomes.
So, where do we really stand compared to the rest of the world? Let's break it down. On international PISA rankings, the U.S. sits in the high runnings for math and science and slightly stronger in reading. Coming in at number 18 in the top 27 countries out of 81 in the entire ranking. But here's the catch. Achievement gaps between wealthy and low-income students are some of the largest in the developed world. And we lean heavily on standardized testing, often at the expense of applied learning. We shine in creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Our schools serve a diverse population, and our higher education system is a magnet for students from around the globe. But quality isn't consistent. Some districts have world-class resources, others struggle with overcrowding and underfunding. Teacher training and retention, often under-prioritized. Countries like Finland, Japan, and Singapore invest heavily in their teachers, not just in pay, but in rigorous preparation and ongoing professional development. They test less, but learn more, focusing on depth over breadth. And they build strong foundations in early childhood education. We can raise the bar by investing in teacher preparation, reducing high-stakes testing, and funding schools equitably. We also need to strengthen early learning so every child starts with a solid foundation. America has the potential to lead in education, but to do it, we need to pair equity with teacher empowerment and focus on meaningful learning, not just test scores. Because when we align policy with long-term skills, our students can compete with anyone, anywhere. Help us to improve education and teaching strategies. Head over to our website at TeachologyU.com. In the description box below, we've got courses, resources, and community support to help you make a difference. Thank you for watching Teachology.